just in. The heroes are making their way down Sesame Street.
Good, good. Oh.
You can do it.
That's 4 seconds to countdown.
Ernie, hang on, Bert.
Good luck.
Off to outer space. Have no fear! I have everything under control!
And I've got you too. Macaroni's plan is coming to a boil. Take a walk.
Don't worry, I have him right where we want him. Cheese them!
Not in Lincoln helmets!
Let's twirl that pasta back to Earth.
Yay, Bird! So many heroes!
Your cute and furry hero has saved the day!
With a little super help!
Twirl that pasta back to Earth.
And now, it's time for lunch!
What's